Welcome to the Kenora Backyard Studio. Let me take you on a tour. We're working from home more than ever, and this trend is only accelerating. Working from home has so many clear advantages, but the challenge is that many people don't have a quality space to get their important work done from home. We've solved this by designing the Studio 70, a 7-foot by 10-foot prefabricated backyard studio. It's high quality using durable materials built to last. It's comfortable, well insulated, featuring electric heating and ventilation fans, as well as an opening window ready for your AC unit. It's functional. A wood slat wall ensures your Zoom call backgrounds always look great. It's wired for high-speed internet. It also has sound baffles to help mitigate any echo and unwanted noise. It has roller blinds at the windows to allow you to control the natural lighting at all times, and it can be craned into your backyard in a day. Do you want a beautiful space to professionally work from home? We've got your solution.